Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen 4 video. Sorry guys, I haven't uploaded for a while. Been super busy at work. Working on a couple projects, and I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, I just got sick. So throat's been really stuffy, nose been stuffy. The whole basically cold. So sorry I haven't been uploading, guys. Like I said, sorry if I sound like a robot, but yeah. So I just got sick. I'm trying to get over this. But let's go ahead. This is boostmobile.com, guys. Just letting you know that the new Razr Flip. Or the Motorola Razr 2023 is now available on boostmobile.com. So yes, this is boostmobile.com. So let's learn more about it. But it is the Razr, pretty nice. A lot of people do like it. It was, I think, exclusive to Verizon or at&t for a while. I believe it was Verizon that had exclusivity to this phone first. So let's get into it. This is a 2023 model. So buy now. Oh my lord. This phone is $600. You get it for $200. Crazy savings. I didn't even know about this. Like I said, I literally just clicked it and look at that, $200, guys. So you can add device protection, or you don't if you don't want to. But it's $12 a month if you add insurance. Which for this phone, I would highly recommend it, guys. Put insurance because these screens are known to fail. I don't know why it hasn't loaded more of it, but basically these screens are definitely known to fail, guys. So usually at the seam, this does, if you know, it does remind me of the Samsung Flip. So the Samsung Flip, like I said, I've sold many of these, and definitely the Flip and the Fold, always in the seams, they seem to lift up, and then you have like a big like air bubble there, and then sometimes the screen doesn't even touch. So they're horrible at this. I would highly suggest, should I say, because sorry, I'm sick, that you put insurance on these devices. So go ahead and get it. So pretty cool. Here you go, finally loaded. Here's the back of it. And here it is closed. So it's pretty cool. 120 gigabytes. Like I said, 600 you get for 200, guys. $400 savings. Not bad at all. So perfectly pocketable. So as you can see, you can have dual videos. It fits in your pocket. It tells you time and the weather. Dual cameras. You can stylish it, and like I said, it's pretty cool. Same thing that the Flip does on Samsung. So hands-free interaction, no tripod needed. It does have a free yourself from cords with wireless charging. It is wireless charging, and it does turbocharging with 30-watt charging. So pretty cool. All the essentials at a glance. Like I said, I don't know why the page is having a little time loading, but the front you can customize with music, the weather, the time, photos, and schedule. So it's pretty cool. Fold and dive in. So this is a 6.9-inch POLED. So blacks are deeper, colors are richer, and contrast is infinite on immersive ultra wide display. It is 144 hertz, HDR10 plus, and it does have special sound, so fill your listening space with multi-dimensional Dolby Atmos. Pretty cool. Crystal clear. It does have it says capture high resolution photos in any settings, day or night, with quad pixel technology that increases light sensitivity by 4 times, guys. So pretty cool. Of course, really good camera. Yeah, good for up close shots. It does have a selfie 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is pretty cool. Does have it says go 4 times wider and get 3.5 times closer than a standard lens. So pretty cool, guys. Here's some details on it. Resists spills and splashes, so it is water resistant. It does have a Snapdragon 7th gen processor. Take your time back, tailor your break times with Moto Unplugged. Some experiences. Does have 128 gigs built storage, and then you can of course unlock it with ease. So pretty cool. Here's some specs, guys. Like I said, it's a quick video, don't want to take too much time, but the rear is a 64 megapixel quad pixel, and then the front is a 13, and it's type C, Snapdragon 7th gen. It's a 4200 milliamp battery, and of course it displays 144 hertz refresh rate, which is cool. Android 13, and doesn't weigh much, 6.65 ounces. So other features is vegan leather, fingerprint reader, face unlock, Moto Unplug, 30-watt charger. So pretty cool, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.